Plank is one of the exercises with own body weight which will be never out of style. And also it is one of the most effective exercises which you can do. It requires little time and offers to achieve significant results in a relatively short time range. Exercising of plank for 1 minute every day is an excellent way to strengthen our core and back support. What will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? 1. You'll improve core definition and performance. Planks involve all the major groups of core muscles including transverse, straight, and oblique abdominal muscles and the buttocks. Their strengthening will give you an increased ability to lift heavy things, form a waistline, and provide support for the back. 2. You'll lower the risk of getting injured. Doing planks is a type of exercise that allows you to build muscle while also making sure that you are not putting too much pressure on your spine or hips. According to the American Council of Exercise, planking not only reduces back pain but also strengthens muscles and ensures strong support of the back, mostly at the top. 3. You'll experience an increased boost to your overall metabolism. Planking is an excellent way of challenging your entire body. Because doing them every day will burn more calories than other traditional abdominal exercises, such as crunches or sit-ups. Muscles strengthened by this exercise on a daily basis ensures burning of higher energy amount even when sitting. This is important mostly when you have a sitting job and spend most of the day sitting by the computer. 1 minute plank every day before or after work, not only it will accelerate the metabolism, but also will ensure that this speed remains high throughout the day even also during sleep. 4. You'll improve body posture. Plank exercising has a great impact and improvement on your posture. You will be able to keep the right body posture at any circumstances. Because abdominal muscles have an impact on the condition of neck, shoulders, chest, arms, and back. 5. You'll improve overall balance. Have you ever tried to be standing on one leg and you haven't kept in this position for longer than a few seconds? It is because your abdominal muscles are not strong enough to provide needed stability. By improving the stability with the help of plank and plank variations, you'll improve the efficiency of every kind of sports activity. 6. You'll be more flexible than ever before. Flexibility is the key benefit that regular plank brings. By this form of exercise, you expand and extend all back muscle groups, shoulders, shoulder blades and collarbone, and at the same time, you tension hamstrings, leg loops, and toes. By regularly performing the side plank, you'll start to confidently keep your balance. 7. You'll improve your psychological state. Plank exercise affects our nervous system. It stretches and relaxes muscles which are usually stiffened due to stress, creating tension throughout the body. Planks help to get rid of anxiety and symptoms of depression, but only if you make them part of your daily life. So, will you start doing planks today? If so, make sure to come back here and share your results after a month of regular planking. In the meantime, you can leave some comments below about this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.